Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up fast UDP custom servers using the HTTP Custom VPN app. By the end of this video, you'll have your server up and running, ensuring a faster and more secure internet connection. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type in 125tech and press enter. You should see a list of search results. Locate and click on the official website link to access the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select UDP Custom Server to proceed. On the UDP Custom Server page, you'll find various server locations listed. Choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your preferred location, click on the Select Location button to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out an account form. Enter your desired username and password, and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Once done, click on the Create Server button. Your server will be created within seconds. Be sure to copy the server details as you'll need them for the next step. Now return to the home page and download the HTTP Custom VPN app directly from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, launch it to access the home screen. On the home screen of the HTTP Custom app, ensure that the UDP Custom box is checked. Next, enter the server details that you copied earlier, including the IP address, username, and password. Once everything is filled in, tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. To ensure everything is working correctly, swipe right to view the connection log. You can also check the ping to monitor the connection status. If all looks good, congratulations, you've successfully set up your UDP custom server. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.